Good morning, children. Today we have a new lesson in English 5, Quarter 1, Module 4, about composing clear and coherent sentences using adverbs of intensity and frequency. Activity 1. Create a sentence using the following random words. You can add some words to make meaningful sentences. Observe proper punctuations. Write your answer in your answer sheet or activity notebook. Here are the random words. Think, always, got, I. Number 2, slowly, turtles very move. 3. Rises the everyday sun. Please pause the video to answer the question. Number 4. Fiesta we annually our celebrate. 5. Scary Alina watches never movies. Let's check. Here is the answer. Number 1. I always thank God. 2. Turtle moves very slowly. 3. The sun rises every day. 4. We celebrate our fiesta annually. 5. Alina never watches scary movies. I hope you got 5. For your activity 2, find the hidden single word adverb in each sentence. Once found, write it in your notebook. Number 1, playing under the sun always makes children happy. 2, they seldom go out with friends. 3, the dog barks repeatedly. Please pause the video to answer the question. Number 4, they almost won the championship game in basketball. 5. The nurse regularly checks the condition of the patient. Let's check. Number 1, the answer is always. 2, seldom. 3, repeatedly. 4, almost. 5, regularly. Next, for activity 3, look at the adverbs you found in activity 2. Identify each as adverb of frequency or adverb of intensity. Please pause the video to answer the question. Let's check. Number 1, the answer is adverb of frequency. 2, adverb of frequency. 3, adverb of frequency. 4, adverb of intensity. Then 5, adverb of frequency. In the previous lessons, you have encountered adverbs or words that describe adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. You may remember that many adverbs end with "ly", such as gracefully, beautifully, frequently, seriously, and quietly, to name a few. Because of this, you can immediately identify them when you see them in these examples. Number 1, the restaurant serves food daily. 2, the barangay captain repeatedly announced the impending lockdown. 3, our parents care about us deeply. Take note also of the meaning of each word. Does the adverb talk about how often something happens or how much something is felt or done? Read the following sentences. Tell if the underlined adverb in each sentence has something to do with frequency, or how often something happens, or intensity, how strong or weak, high or low something exists. Write your answers in a notebook. Number one, we need to work every day. Two, the drone flew extremely close to the ground. Three, my friend usually calls me Pisoy. Please pause the video to answer the question. Number four, unable to leave the house due to the lockdown. Jack felt exceedingly bored and restless. 5. I was terribly hungry, so I ate 4 eggs, 6 slices of bread, 2 pieces of chicken wings, a plate of pasta, and a gallon of ice cream. Let's check. For number 1, the answer is adverb of frequency. Number 2, intensity. 3, frequency. For number 4, we have intensity. 5. Intensity. In this activity, use the correct words inside the bubbles. Complete the sentence parts that describe good parents. Write your answers in your answer sheet. Please pause the video to answer the question. Thoughtful parents, 1. Are also blank attentive parents. 2. Blank think about their children's future. 3. Make sure that the baby doesn't eat blank much. 4. Blank forget. 5. Know that kids blank need to play. Let's check. Here are the answers. Very, always, to, never, sometimes. I hope you got 5. Adverbs describe or modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs are words that answer questions like how, when, where, and to what extent. In this module, we shall focus on 2 types of adverbs. Adverbs of frequency and adverbs of intensity. Adverbs of intensity are adverbs that tell to what extent something exists or is done. Usually, adverbs of intensity are written before the verb, adjective, or adverb that they modify, although there are some exceptions. The words very, quite, to, absolutely, extremely, and so are examples of adverbs of intensity. Examples. You are working too diligent, meaning you're more diligent. 2. The water was extremely cold, means the cold is unbearable. 3. The movie was quite fascinating, which means completely interesting. Number 4, the group just left, which means they left very recently. 5, he has almost finished his assignment, meaning about to finish. Adverbs of frequency tell how often an action is done. The most commonly used adverbs of frequency are always, frequently, occasionally, sometimes, never, often, seldom, and usually. Adverbs of frequency are usually placed before a verb since they describe the frequency of the act or event stated in the verb. Examples. Number one, Plastic Man always wears his mask on every mission. Always is an adverb of frequency. Number two, Mary usually picks her up at the bus terminal. Usually is an adverb of frequency. Three, Ben and Emma often go out for lunch together. Often is an adverb of frequency. During rainy days, Jade sometimes comes to school wearing her raincoat. So sometimes is an adverb of frequency. Nick and Nadia rarely see each other because of the pandemic. Rarely is an example of adverbs of frequency. If we go back to your answers in the activity on the thoughtful parents, you will notice that the answers consisted of both adverbs of frequency. Always think, never forget, sometimes need, very attentive, too much are adverbs of intensity. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adverbs to make the sentence correct and complete. Write your answers in your note. Number one, today is very much blank colder than yesterday. Two, electric cars never sometimes use gasoline. Please pause the video to answer the question. Number three, the Philippines is much, very rich in natural resources. Four, Liza Soberano's looks are quite often stunning. Five, my brother and I usually or extremely play basketball in the afternoon. Number six, typhoons absolutely or often form in the Pacific. 7. Sander is a completely or highly skilled computer technician. 8. I seldom or sometimes eat shrimp due to my allergy. Number 9. The concert was widely or absolutely wonderful. 10. People are too or only afraid to go out nowadays. Let's check. Number one, the answer is much. Number two, never. Number three, very. Number four, quite. Five, usually. Number six, often. Seven, highly. Eight, seldom. Number nine, absolutely. 10, two. Here is a summary of what you have learned today. Read each sentence aloud and try to remember these general ideas. Adverbs are words that describe adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. There are many types of adverbs, including adverbs of frequency and adverbs of intensity. Adverbs of frequency are adverbs that tell how often something happens. Adverbs of intensity are adverbs that tell about the degree of an action or condition. Activity 1. Complete the answer to the question in each number by adding the correct adverb hidden among the choices inside the box. You can only use the adverb once, so make sure that you match the correct adverb with the sentence. Write the adverb in your notebook. Exactly, to, very, monthly, every day, extremely, enough, frequently, and never. Number one, how would you describe the North Pole? The North Pole is blank cold. Number two, how often should we wash our hands to prevent getting sick with COVID-19? We should wash our hands blank. Three, how often should children take a bath? Children should take a bath blank. Please pause the video to answer the question. Number four, how do you best describe a cheetah? A cheetah can run blank fast. 5. What can you say about a test asking you to count from 1 to 10? Counting 1 to 10 is blank easy. Let's check. Here are the answers. Number 1, extremely. 2, frequently. 3, every day. Number 4, very. Number 5, 2. Activity 2, go back and look at your answers for activity 1. This time, tell if the adverb you wrote is an adverb of frequency or an adverb of intensity. Do this also in your note. Let's check. Here are the answers. Number 1, adverbs of intensity. 2, adverbs of frequency. 3, adverbs of frequency. 4, adverbs of intensity. 5, adverbs of intensity. For your assessment, activity 1, write an answer in response to each question. Each sentence must contain an adverb of frequency or an adverb of intensity. Number 1, how often should people wear masks if they want to go out during a pandemic? People should blank mask, adverb of frequency. Number 2, what will you say to a friend if you can't reach a foot high above the ground? Please get a ladder. It's blank high to reach, adverb of intensity. Number 3, what will you tell others if you can't carry a sack of rice because of its weight? Sorry, I can carry the sack of rice. It's blank for me. Adverb of intensity. Please pause the video to answer the question. Number 4. Do you eat exotic food like insects and frogs? No. I blank. Adverb of frequency. Number 5. How easy is it to do adding one-digit numbers? Blank, one-digit numbers. Adverb of intensity. Let's check. Number 1, the answer is always. Number 2, too high. Number 3, too heavy. Number 4, I never eat insects and frogs. 5, it is very easy to add. For activity 2, put the words in the correct order to make a sentence. Write the sentences in your notebook. Number 1, frequently brownouts happen. 2, Feel incredibly great I. 3. Never room messy we live should are. 4. Arm alitas broken completely was. 5. Pray as silently let. Please pause the video to answer the question. Let's check. Number one, the answer is brownouts happen frequently or brownouts frequently happen. Number two, I feel incredibly great. Three, we should never leave our room messy. Four, Alita's arm was completely broken. Five, let us pray silently. For the additional activities, write three sentences using in response to the questions. Use the specific type of adverb indicated in the item. Do this in your note. How would you describe your siblings? Please use adverb of intensity. Number two, how often do you do some activities with your pet? Please use adverb of frequency. Let's check. Number one, the answer is my siblings are deeply understanding. Number two, here's an example answer. I often cuddle with my cat on the couch. That's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.